Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. 109 meters flowed into digital asset investment products in total, and United States dollars 89 meters of those went to Bitcoin-backed products. Commenting on Bitcoin's current setup from a technical analysis standpoint, Hong Kong-based crypto financial services firm Babel Finance said in its latest weekly report that the United States dollars 40,000 mark will be a watershed for Bitcoin, and that it could indicate further bullishness in the near term. In the short term, United States dollars 40,000 will become a watershed. That is to say, more traders may be mobilized if the price can return to above United States dollars 40,000, the firm said in its report, which was published just before BTC broke through the key level. Meanwhile, others focused on how the latest gains for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market have come at a time when stocks have seen mixed performance, which they said could point to a decoupling of the two asset classes. We have seen crypto be correlated closely to the US stock market for months, but Bitcoin is showing signs of decoupling from this correlation in the short-term, Marcus Soterio, an analyst at the digital asset broker Global Block, said in email comments. He added that the top cryptocurrency is likely being fueled by the narrative of being a permissionless and censorship-resistant way of transferring value, and said it is fascinating that it has even outperformed the traditional safe haven gold. A similar sentiment was also shared by Mikkel Morch, executive director and risk management at crypto hedge fund ARK36, who said a potential decoupling from risk assets is taking place, and that Bitcoin is gaining prominence as censorship-resistant money. But we, therefore, seeing the beginnings of a wider acceptance of Bitcoin as a hedge not only for investors, but also for ordinary citizens, Morch said, before adding. We will know for sure on the other side of this crisis, but we can already say that we're currently witnessing historical power shifts taking place in real time, and crypto is at the very center of the raging storm. The same view was also echoed by the Bitfinex trading team, which said in a comment shared with cryptonews.com that Bitcoin's unique properties are now finally getting more attention. Only 40 cryptocurrencies till now. On the other side, Coinbase alone has listed more than 150 coins on its platform. As per the report, there were more than 80 applications were waiting to be approved, as the exchanges had to go through a lengthy process. Even widely circulated tokens such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have to face the same problems. Japanese exchanges users are reported held 1.18 trillion yen, $9.8 billion worth of cryptocurrency as of January. GMO Coin handles 20 cryptocurrencies, which is the largest number of listings in the country. Some industry executives reportedly said that many traders flock to exchanges, such as Binance, partly due to the lack of options. JVCA's this decision will hopefully boost the coin listing in the country, which will eventually help cryptocurrency adoption. The new measure will free up JVCA to spend more resources approving new cryptocurrencies as well as initial coin offerings and initial exchange offerings, an official said, reports Nikkei Asia. Binance commits to Ontario shutdown, will block new accounts. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, said it will stop opening new accounts in Ontario, as part of a commitment to the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC, to cease operations in Canada's most populous province. The exchange released an undertaking on Tuesday outlining the steps it will take to wind down its Ontario operations, which include providing withdrawal waivers and fee rebates to existing users in the province. Binance has a troubled history in Ontario. Today's undertaking marks nearly a year of clashes between Binance and the OSC. The exchange had decided to $4 support would continue the range-bound rally in MANA. The correction phase initiated during February's second week tumbled the MANA-USDT pair by 32% and slumped it to $2.4. Last week the buyers tried to bounce back from this SUPPORT $2.4 and drove the altcoin to immediate resistance of $2.8. However, the sellers maintained a strong defense at this level and reverted the coin price to swing low support. The technical chart shows a symmetrical triangle pattern in play, with the MANA price currently located at the bottom support trendline. The MANA price moving above the 200-day MA maintains a bullish tendency. However, a bearish crossover of the 20 and 50-day MA bolsters the sellers to extend the correction rally. The stochastic RSI indicator shows a steady bear cycle with the K and D lines diving into the oversold region. Furthermore, the oversold indicator value could help buyers surge the coin to higher levels. The MANA chart shows a daily doji candle at the shared support of $2. 4 and 200-day MA, suggesting indecision in the market. A bullish reversal from this level would indicate the traders are buying at this dip and would rally to the overhead resistance. Alternately, if the sellers plunge the altcoin below the $2.4 support, the renewed selling pressure would sink the price by 16.5%, hitting the $2 psychological level. Resistance level, $2.83, $3.48 support level, $2.4, $2. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, MANA, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. MANA has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. MANA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price MANA Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of MANA will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. MANA Rate Prediction 2026. MANA will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland